Alright everybody, I'm going to reveal a very powerful technique that I've just learned from a master yogi. That's very simple. It's going to take 2 minutes of your day, literally 2 minutes. It's going to transform your life completely. And I've tried it for about a month now and I've seen tremendous benefits. So it's going to include a lot of the things that we talked about in the previous videos, but this is going to be actual practices. The way that you normally start and the way that I normally start is I start with 6 cycles of breaths. It's generally very simple. What you're doing is you're breathing in for 4 to 6 seconds and you're breathing out for longer. The trick is to breathe out longer than you normally breathe in. So you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds. I usually do that. Pause for 2 seconds and then breathe out for 6 seconds, and you're going to be doing a cycle of 6 cycles of this specific breathing pattern. Next, you're going to move on to the Thanksgiving practice where you're going to raise your palms to the sky, or if you are in the forest, you can literally go and hug a tree and just imagine the tree's energy. I usually like to imagine angelic energy, like white energy coming into my body. Otherwise, you can just imagine like any type of color that you find very soothing, very comfortable. There's no specifics to this. You will find that your body is actually healing. You will find your body is actually so, you will manifest real energy. You will start feeling it yourself. If you can't feel it, just keep doing it and be gentle with yourself and enjoy the process and just play along. After a while, you'll feel you're really charged up. All you're going to be doing then is you're going to be sitting and just let the energy do its work. So you're just going to be sitting. I really like a good tip for this is I like to sway, like lightly swaying, like a tree. I would like to imagine myself being a tree and I just like to sway back and forth. Like just small swayings back and forth to let the energy kind of simmer. That comes from Qigong actually, is to sway lightly, let the energy just do its work. After a while, you can open your eyes, you can go about your day, you will feel really energetic and just really powerful. So it's just a quick power manifestation meditation I wanted to share with you guys because it's so powerful. It uses energy techniques, channeling, shamanism, everything together in 2 minutes time. So please let me know how it went and do sub if you haven't subbed yet. I want to share so many more sessions with you guys. I'm so happy and so excited about it. So do get back to me about this and I'd love to hear back from you guys. Good luck.